Have you noticed that climbing stairs feels harder than it used to? You might be experiencing sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. But you don't have to accept weakness as inevitable. It's about preserving your independence and quality of life. Today, we're diving into science-backed strategies to help you regain strength. So stick around because you don't want to miss these life-changing nutrition tips. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you're joining me from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health-boosting tip from healthcare. Let's begin. Don't underestimate the power of these little legumes. Chickpeas pack 9 grams of protein per 100 grams. They're rich in leucine, which activates muscle growth. Magnesium in chickpeas prevents muscle cramps. Include chickpeas in your diet 3 to 4 times a week. Pair them with lemon juice for better iron absorption. Try turmeric-spiced hummus for an anti-inflammatory boost. It's protein-packed and delicious. Your muscles will thank you. Peas often get overlooked, but these little green gems are nutritional powerhouses for muscle health. They boast a higher protein content than most vegetables. Peas are rich in lysine, crucial for collagen production. Collagen maintains the integrity of your tendons, ligaments, and muscles. Peas also reduce post-workout inflammation. Try blending peas into a delicious spread. It's fantastic on toast. You can also toss them into soups for an extra protein boost. Don't underestimate these small but mighty allies. Let's talk about spirulina, a true powerhouse in muscle-building nutrition. This blue-green algae is about 70% protein by weight, more than chicken. Spirulina is a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. It also contains phycocyanin, a powerful antioxidant with anti-inflammatory effects. This means faster recovery from workouts and reduced muscle soreness. To incorporate spirulina into your diet, aim for 3 to 5 grams daily. Add it to smoothies or mix it with water. For a refreshing post-workout drink, try combining spirulina with coconut water. Lean protein powerhouses. Fueling your muscles the right way. For building and maintaining muscle mass, especially as we age, we need high-quality lean protein sources. Think chicken, turkey, and fish. These lean protein powerhouses deliver essential amino acids needed to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. A 100-gram serving of chicken provides around 31 grams of protein. Eggs are also packed with essential amino acids and nutrients like vitamin D. Variety is key, so include a mix of these lean protein sources in your diet. Grill them, bake them, or even try poaching them. The possibilities are endless. Calcium, the bone and muscle connector. Calcium is essential for strong bones and plays a crucial role in muscle function. Without enough calcium, your muscles won't work efficiently. Dairy products like yogurt and cheese are excellent sources of calcium. A 30-gram serving of Parmesan cheese provides about a third of the recommended daily intake. If you're not a fan of dairy, leafy green vegetables, tofu, and fortified plant milks are great alternatives. Strong bones and strong muscles go hand in hand. Make sure you're getting enough of this vital mineral. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin for muscle health. Vitamin D is crucial for muscle protein synthesis, the process of building and repairing muscle tissue. Without enough vitamin D, our bodies can't utilize protein efficiently, leading to muscle weakness. One of the best ways to get vitamin D is through sunlight. Depending on where you live, getting enough sunlight can be challenging. Fatty fish like salmon and eggs are excellent food sources of vitamin D. If you're concerned about your vitamin D levels, talk to your doctor about getting tested. Supplementation might be right for you. Omega-3s. Fighting inflammation for stronger muscles. Chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our health, including our muscles. Omega-3 fatty acids have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are some of the best sources of omega-3s. Aim to include at least 2 servings of fatty fish in your diet per week. Plant-based sources like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are also great. Small changes like adding ground flaxseed to your smoothie can make a big difference. Reduce inflammation and support your muscle health. Antioxidants. Your secret weapon for enhanced endurance. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. They play a crucial role in reducing exercise-induced oxidative stress. Fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants. Berries, in particular, are antioxidant powerhouses. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. The more colorful your plate, the better. Studies show that consuming antioxidants, like those found in blueberries, can improve exercise performance. Push yourself further and recover faster with antioxidant-rich foods. Magnesium and potassium. The dynamic duo for cramp-free muscles. Muscle cramps can be incredibly painful and debilitating. Prevent muscle cramps by ensuring you're getting enough magnesium and potassium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle relaxation, while potassium helps regulate muscle contractions. Leafy green vegetables like spinach are excellent sources of both minerals. Almonds are great for magnesium, while bananas are known for their potassium content. Avocados provide a good dose of both minerals. Incorporate these foods into your diet to keep your muscles happy and cramp-free. Reclaim your strength. The journey starts today. Sarcopenia isn't inevitable. You have the power to rebuild. Start today. One meal, one movement, one step at a time. Your future self will thank you. Stay strong. Stay independent. Keep moving. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what topic you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.